We just need someone to say it won't anymore. Oh, the day. If you can only think of me more. We just need someone to say it won't anymore. You must know when you believe that. Say you did somebody and then I want to think
Hey, teacher.
Hello, Lynn. Good morning.
Morning, teacher.
You just woke up, honey?
Yes.
Oh, that's right. I think you just really woke up. Did you sleep late last night?
Yes. Maybe 12 o'clock.
10 o'clock, I see. The normal time that you wake up, that you usually wake up, my dear. Okay, honey. Last night, Sunny shared to me that she received a lot of gifts. Yeah. Yeah, from Santa Claus. How about you, honey? Did you receive any gifts too?
Yes.
Oh, what are those?
It's here. Wait.
Okay. I'm so excited to see the gifts that you received.
Oh. Why? Sorry, teacher. I can't see it. Maybe I will try it later.
What are those? What are those,
Uh,
honey?
nails.
Mm-hmm. A
Uh,
lot, right?
yes.
A lot of things. Okay. What are those?
It's
Hair,
nails.
nails, yeah, nails, and then hair accessories, right? The same with
Yes.
Sunny. Yeah. Hair
With a
accessory. Yes. Okay. So me, honey, I received a lot of things. Wait for a while. I will just get my slippers, honey, okay? But you can still hear me anyway. Me, honey, I got a lot of things. Like, wait, I'm going to show you. Hold on for a while. Can you still hear me?
okay.
Yeah, hold on. I'm going to get it. It's just actually here. I have this and what else here. Here, let me show you. Okay, I got the whitening lotion, honey, which is really my favorite. Whitening lotion. And
Okay.
then I also got glasses for my cousin. This is for my cousin, honey. This one is for my cousin. And I also got these from my other cousin. Makeup, as you know, I really like makeups, right, honey? It's
Yeah.
supposed to be put here and here. It's for blush, like it's for blushing thing. Yeah, like that. And I also I also got a clip from my baby cousin and another one for my baby cousin as well. So I am so happy with my gifts, honey. Like, yeah. Honey, did you celebrate it? I mean, did you celebrate Christmas with your family?
Yes.
Yeah. I also heard that from Sunny, honey, that you celebrated it. Ah, okay. So anyway, my dear, teacher is going to share the screen now. We're now going to start with our lesson, okay? And Lynn, is my voice okay? Like, can you hear it clearly?
Yes.
Okay, that is really great to hear, honey. So, Teacher's going to share the screen now, and we're going to continue with answering, or I mean, making questions based
Yeah.
on the prompt card. Okay, can you see teacher's screen now?
Yes.
Yeah, these are the questions that you've created, or yeah, that you've created last time. So we have here the questions, honey. Ah, you're done with my, oh my goodness, what's happening to my video, honey? Can you see?
Yes.
Okay. So, as you can see, honey, we have your questions already. You've created your questions already. Now, we're going to answer these following questions, okay? Let's start with question number 1. What is the name of the shop?
The name of the shop is New York Music Shop.
Okay. Hold on, honey. I will just try to fix my camera because I don't like my external camera. Wait for a while. Is it okay now?
Yes. Is it okay?
Okay. Now, honey, the name of the shop is Music Shop. For a while. Okay. Let's have question number 2, honey. Please read question number 2, my dear.
Okay. How much does the CDs cost? The
Oh,
CDs cost on the CD costs £8.
okay. Next, what is the address of the CD shop?
The address of the CD shop is 58 Washington Street.
Okay. Great. Okay, next one. Is it open in the evening?
Uh, yes, it's open on the evening 8 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Okay, it is open in the evening at 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, great. Next, we have the other one. Does the CD shop have magazines, honey?
Yes, the CDs have magazines and books.
Yes. The CD shop has books and magazines. Okay, honey. Let's have question number 1. What is the name of the shop?
The name of the shop is New York Music Shop.
Very good. How much does the CD cost?
The CDs cost £8.
Very good. What is the address of the CD shop?
The address of the CDs shop is 58 Wanton Street.
Great. Is it open in the evening?
Yes, easy. Open in the evening at 8 a.m. to 8 p.m.
8, honey? Are you sure it's 8? I think it's
Yes,
9.
on 9 p.m. 9 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Yeah. Okay, next, number 5. Does the CD shop have magazines?
Yes, the city shops has book and magazines.
Great. Okay. Now, honey, let's move forward to the next one. We are now going to have the next page, honey. Okay?
Okay.
Oh. Okay. All right. We have here this one, honey. The guitar lessons. Okay, please read what's written in the prompt card.
Guitar lessons learn in your home 7 days a week, morning, afternoon, or evening. All kinds of music, £90 for 10 lessons.
Okay.
Children from 8 years old.
Now, honey, let's have the following questions since the questions aren't provided, okay? Let's start with question number 1. What will be the question for question number 1?
How much the lesson cost?
Honey, how much does the
Lessons cost
guitar lessons cost? Okay, please read question number 1 again, honey.
how much
Read.
the guitar lessons cost?
Alin, I also got a new tumbler. I mean, new water bottle. Yeah. Remember, I think I showed you a very big tumbler before. Have you seen my very big tumbler, honey? Have you seen it
No.
or no? No. I think it's Sunny. I've showed it to Sunny, honey, because one time I asked her, Sunny, can I go to the kitchen and get my water? And she was very shocked because she saw she've seen my really really big tumbler, honey. And my cousin, honey, actually initiated to give me a pink new tumbler because my favorite color is pink, right? And it's like a cooler something. So I put like a very cold water in here, honey, and it lasts for 24 hours. It will still remain cold for 24 hours, honey. So I'm so happy. I think this is my most favorite gift. The most favorite gift that I received from my cousin. Anyway, let's have question number 2. Question number 2, honey.
What is kind of pop music?
Or do they teach do they teach pop
Do
music?
they teach pop music?
Yeah. Okay, 3.
Children lessons. How many days in children lessons?
Or do they have children's lessons?
Oh, do they have children lessons?
Or lessons? Do they have lessons? Lessons for children? Yeah. For the children. Okay, let's have number 4.
Where is the guitar lessons?
Where will be?
Where will be guitar lessons?
5.
Is this open in Saturday afternoon?
Open on Saturday afternoon. Okay, let's have your questions, honey. Let's start with number 1. How much does the guitar lessons cost?
Uh, the lesson,
The guitar lessons?
the guitar lesson costs £80 for 10 lessons.
80?
90, sorry, teacher, 90.
Okay, the guitar lessons cost £90 for 10 lessons. Okay, next question, number 2. Do they teach pop music?
Uh, Wait, I will try. Yes, they teach all kinds of music.
Yes.
Yes, they are. They teach. Yes, they do.
Yes, they do. Each of... Very good, honey. Okay, next. Do they have lessons for children?
Wait, I said it.
Question number 3, honey.
Do they have lessons for the children? Yes, they have lessons for the children from 8 years old.
For the children from... Okay, next one. Where will be the guitar lessons?
Is wait.
The guitar lessons will be...
The guitar lessons will be 7 days a week.
Where, honey? Where?
Oh, really?
Yeah, where will it be?
The guitar lessons will be in your home, at your house.
Will be at home.
Uh-huh.
Yes. Okay. The guitar lessons will be at home. Next question 5, the last one. Is it open on Saturday afternoon?
Yes. It's open 7 days a week.
Okay. 7 days. Oh. Okay, now let's read your answers, honey. Let's start with number 1. How much does the guitar lessons cost?
The guitar lesson costs £90 for 10 lessons.
2. Do they teach pop music?
Yes, they do. They teach all kinds of music.
3. Do they have lessons for the children?
Yes, they have lessons for the children from 8 years old.
Very good. Where will be the guitar lessons?
The guitar lesson will be at home.
Lastly, is it open on Saturday afternoon?
Yes, is it open 7 days a week?
Very good, honey. Thank you so much, my dear Lynn. Now, you are okay. Based on the given information, honey, you're going to talk about the New World Music Shop. And I'm going to give you time for about 2 minutes, honey, okay? Because I'm also going to go to the toilet. Okay? Wait for me. Are you ready, Lynn?
Yes, of course.
Oh, wow. Yes, of course. Okay. Now, let's move forward now, honey, to your presentations.
Okay. Now what? Move this shop. Here, onto this cup. I will put a pen. It's so cheap. Even by the latest. Now what was the shop? Onto this cost £8 here. It's uh, uh by the latest dance music here. It's open to Saturday 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Books New York Music Shop has books and magazines on 58
Very good. Thank you so much, honey. Okay, since we are already done with this material, honey, now we are going to have the next material. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes, we're done already with the CAT 4 test 1. So right now we are going to have, oh, what is it? We are going to have the, wait for a while, honey. My laptop is lagging, my dear. Hold on. I'm just going to refresh my laptop, honey. Okay, hold on. Wait for a while. Okay. Why can't it be opened? It can't be opened. What's happening? Okay, I can open it now. Okay, honey. We're done with the CAT 4 test 1. Now we're going to have CAT 4 test 2. Can you see this?
Yes.
Yeah, I think you do. So we have here this following parts which we're going to skip. Okay. Now, let's have the part 1, honey, and you're going to answer these following questions. Let's start with question number 1. Where do you usually buy clothes, honey?
I usually buy clothes at Uniqlo.
Again?
I usually buy clothes at Uniqlo.
Vietnamese shop? Honey, your voice is very, very thin. It's very, very small, honey. Can you say it again loudly, honey?
Okay, can you repeat?
Yeah. Again, one more time. Where do you usually buy clothes?
I usually buy clothes at Uniqlo, a shop.
Uniqlo. Yeah. Uniqlo is a very, um, very, very expensive. I mean, why did I say expensive? A very, very famous shop here in the Philippines too, honey. Yeah, but it's expensive. It's expensive, honey. Do you think it's expensive? Do you think they sell expensive stuff?
Yes, the shell is expensive.
Yeah. So that means your clothes are expensive. Yeah. Okay.
Wait,
Okay. I think
yeah,
someone's calling.
yes, my aunt.
Yeah, your aunt is calling, honey. It's okay.
Okay.
Okay. Question number 2. What kind of clothes are in fashion now, honey? What kinds of clothes are in fashion now? Let's search.
Okay. What? Khai.
25. Oh, no. Me show it to you, honey.
There.
Maybe. Not this one. I'm not talking about this one. I think this. Outfit ideas in Vietnam. Are these, honey? The outfit ideas in Vietnam?
Yes.
Which one, honey? Can you encircle it? What the one that most of the Vietnamese people wear?
Oh, it's not here. Wait.
Okay.
Maybe it's 1, 2, 3. In Vietnam have many styles.
Ah,
But like
like you really don't know, honey, which one because you have a lot of styles. Same in the Philippines, honey. Me, I really can't explain which one is really the one that's so famous here, honey, because we have a lot of styles. Even me, I don't really follow fashion, but there's a lot of fashion that I should really follow. But yeah, I can't choose because there's a lot. Okay, it's okay, honey. Let's have question number 3. How much money do you spend on clothes, honey? How much
I
money do you spend on clothes?
don't know because my mom spent for me.
Oh, okay. So, like for a month, honey, okay. How many times a month? Okay, let's just say a week. How many times a week do you buy clothes? Or like does your mom buy clothes for you? If it's a week.
Maybe it's 1 month.
Okay, a month. If
1
it's a
month.
month,
Rồi. But someday is uh 1 week or 2 weeks.
I see. Every 1 week or 2 weeks. I see, honey. And it's really from Uniqlo, honey. Right? She really buys
Yeah.
it from Uniqlo. I see. Okay, next one. How much time do you spend getting ready to go to work, honey? To school or work?
Uh,
Does it take 1 hour for you to get ready before you go to school?
uh um half hour.
Half an hour. So 30 minutes. 30 minutes, honey. Okay. What's your favorite dress? Me, I have a lot of favorite dress, honey, so I really can't
My
distinguish.
favorite my favorite dress is a red dress.
A red dress? Yeah? I see, honey. Okay, next one, my dear. We have the next one. Hmm. Me, black dress, honey. Okay, next one. What kind of clothes you don't like to wear? The clothes that you don't really like to wear, honey. What are those clothes?
Uh, a a a shark skirt. A shark skirt.
Why? Why, honey?
Because I like uh and because I usually like wearing jeans, so
Ah,
I like to wear shark
okay.
skirt.
During summer, honey, during summer, what do you like to wear? Or what do you usually wear when it's summer? When it's summer season?
Um, a shirt, and a short.
Sock. A sock.
Short.
Short.
Yes, short.
A short. Okay, I see. Okay, thank you so much, honey, for sharing that one to me. Now we are now going to talk about women's clothing. Let's read all of these. Okay, so we have here the first one. What is this? Can you tell me what that one is? That one is a
That one is a wedding dress.
very good. That one is a wedding dress. Okay. Have you seen something like that too, honey? What is a wedding dress? Do you know what a wedding dress is?
It's used for the wife in the wedding.
Yeah, that's right. Very good, honey. It's a special dress worn by the bride, by the girl, honey, who's getting married. Yeah. Okay. Have you ever tried attending a wedding, honey?
Uh,
Have you tried attending a wedding? Like going on a wedding?
no.
You've never? Really?
Yes.
I thought okay, so you've tried attending to a wedding, honey. Okay, thank you so much, my dear. Now, let's move forward to the other one. We have here the what is that? That one is a sweater. Sweater. Okay. It is a warm piece of clothing, honey. Oh, made of cotton, honey. And when do you usually wear it? You
It's
wear it? Honey, anyway, my dear, it's already time. The time is already over. So teacher Shane has to go now. Okay, we're going to meet again tomorrow at 8 a.m. Okay? Thank you so much, Lynn, for your time. I love you so much, Lynn. Bye bye. Take care.